I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I so she give me on the nigga.
It's the hair for me. It's the hair for me.
Hey guys, it's Fawn. Welcome back to my channel. She's so nice. I love reading your comments. You'll be so nice to me. I swear. You don't even talk about my edges. You can if you wanted to, but you don't. It's so nice. So the reason why it's looking frizzy is because this is a 1 month old. I keep on looking at the viewfinder because I look so good. What's your name is, honey? So the reason why it's looking frizzy because it's a 1 month old curl, and this is how I like it because it allows my hair to be bigger. Bigger is better. Hello, go big or go home. Hello. I'm back with another update on my Ishow hair 4x4 closure wig, 24 inches. I'm in love 1 month later. You can't tell me nothing. You need to place a ring on my finger. We're together. Together. Oh my goodness. This hair is so cute.
Yeah, I'm keeping this review short and simple and short and beautiful and simple and sharp and simple and beautiful. That's all.
Today I'm back with another wig update. This is not a wig review. This is the same hair, the Ishow hair 4x4 closure. I'm just here with an update because I feel like when I did that video I didn't do it no justice because I just slapped on my hair. But this is the same curl from that hair, y'all. Like, I left it. I just do it my process. I brush it, and it got my hair looking so big and luscious. I'm just like, period, boo. So this is their 24 inch. And stop playing. At this moment as we speak, if you click the links in my description box, they're having like a flash sale. Everything is hella % off. Period.
You know I'm a broke bitch, so I gotta look out for y'all.
We need stuff with discount. And that's just on period. On period. If you watch the stretcher, it comes right here. That's the length of it. And this here. Okay, period. Like this here, okay, so the cap is literally small hair friendly. So if you have a big hair, it fits you snug. It's literally small head friendly. Like literally it was made for small headed people. I don't know if they have bigger caps. I don't know if they have the option, but when it comes to that, I like it because I don't have to do much to keep it on. I don't use the adjustable straps. I just put it on. But if you have a small head, this is perfect for you because my head is big. I said I was going to customize it more, which is I did one in tweets. You can see my part more. If you want to compare it to the last video, you can go and click on it. It looked big and frizzy because that's the look I wanted to do. Literally, when I first curled this hair, I was like, okay, I'm never going to touch those curls. Because, like, if you like big hair, like, literally, you just curl this hair your first time. And then, when you're ready to wear it again, you just brush it. And you do this with your hands. And it goes in the same motion. Look at that. It looked like I did so much. Watch me do it to this side. I mean, I can't make this up. You put it in a motion that you curl it in, and then you scrunch it upwards. I can't make this up, y'all. I like this hair. Make sure and check my description box. There will be links to their hair page if you're interested in getting this hair. Like I said, with maintenance, I don't do much. I just take it off and I throw it in my closet. And for me to do that and put it back on my head and it look like this. And if you don't want to go on the page, they also have an Instagram. It's official Ishow hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, if you have any question, comment it down below and I'll be happy to answer it. I just want to come and make justice to this hair because I feel like I didn't do it the first time. And that's on period. Because I feel like I look like a baddie right now and nobody can take that from me. Nobody can take that away from me. Until I take the wig off. But till then, nobody can take that away from me. Like on the bigness of this hair, after I left the curls in it, I'll give this hair a 10 on the bigness. Like, cause you know I like big hair. So like for me to put curls in it and just comb it, the more I comb it, the bigger it get. Like, yo, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I don't know why I'm twisted sideways, but they're sure trying to disrespect me. But can't tell me nothing. Hello. Hello, that girl looked like she actually curled her hair today, but she did not. This curl is actually a month old. I comb and go. Period. 4x4 closure. Hello. Say it with me. Hello. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this update, because I told y'all I feel like I didn't do this hair justice. If you want to see how I install it on my head, you can check out the first video in my description box. And this is just an update of me doing a better job and stepping in the room looking like a hello. You already know what I do is put the lace glue on. I put my foundation under it. That's why I look like my skin complexion. And I will admit that on this side I over tweeze a little bit, so it look like my hair is back a little bit and then forward. And I'm like, I be getting tweezer happy. If you get tweezer happy too, let me know down below, because I feel alone. Am I the only one? I be going ham. And I over plucked on this side, but other than that, I'm loving my wig. We're married. We're together. And that's just that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next hair review. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.